Hii ni Tech na Msangi ya Jishinde.com.
Welcome to day 24 of 30 days of AL, and today we are going to finalize or act upon the page background task or get the result from the page background task. So we go back now to our page, and there will be a trigger for on page background task completed. And we said, what does it do? It runs after a page background task has successfully completed. Okay, so we have another trigger here for that runs on page background task error. So it runs when an error occurs in the page background task. So when an error occurs, it sends you the task ID, the error code, the error text, the error call stack, and if the error has been handled. So this one is what you can be able to modify. This is the only variable. If you handle the error, then the system will not be return an error. You can handle the error and maybe message out the user or send a notification, whichever way you want. Okay, so here we are having a dictionary of results. In the case where now we are saying that everything is working well, our background task run and we have our result. So we had the time now as a text. We had another variable for Tech na Msangi, just the one that was just displaying Jishinde.com. These are the three variables. So if now this task ID that we passed is equal to this task ID that has been returned, then what should we do? This means that the current record hasn't changed. Okay, so we just need to get the value. Okay, since we have called them as text, we don't need to do any evaluate. The dictionary has a method that will say, for instance, okay, the results dot get the time now will give me the value of the time now, and Tech na Msangi will give me okay the results dot get Tech na Msangi will give me the result of that Tech na Msangi. So here now in our card part, we just need to add the two fields to display them. The first one is the time now, and the other one will be Tech na Msangi. So let's just do it swiftly. Tech na Msangi, the application area, don't forget that, will be basic. Did I see a feature where you can add maybe the application area from here, and then it will be replicated in the in these parts of all the fields? But yeah, I think I'll test that. I saw that in latest release. Is it a certain release? Okay, it's even throwing an error. Anyway, application area, we define it as basic, and we are ready now to test our application. We need to see now the changes, especially in the time now in our 30 days of AL page, AL background card part. So here in the error, if you have handled, you just need to say is handled is true. So the system won't throw the error. If you don't handle them, the error, then the error will, you can be able to get the error text. When you are handling the error, you can be able to get this particular error text that was thrown when the page background was running. So this feature is so beautiful. It has got most of the things that we might need when doing this particular page background task. So it's time to test our application. Remember, once you use your codeunit.run method, it's like you have said, it will only be used for page background tasks. It can't be used for any other thing, only page background tasks. So it's 1848. Let me go to the next record. 1848:35. You can see like it's loading asynchronously. That's why we gave it a sleep of the 2 seconds. So let me count 1, 2. Yes, the time has changed. So it's running in the background. The time now and Tekna Msangi. Yeah, and that's it. So that's how the user won't even notice that the values are being loaded, because they'll be loaded in a very dynamic way and a very good way. That's it for this page background task 4-part video. I believe there were 4. I will see you in day 25 of 30 days of AL. See you there.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss the next one.